is an association which is seeded with the intent to contribute back to our city and world. The perspective of the organization is to create safe space for young people to learn, explore, build new aims, read, interact with each other, and take responsible action. It was started in 2013 and is still going great. The organization believes that sustainable social change emanates from individuals equipped with right values and attitudes.
Yeah, you're right. And you know what? Anat Prabha has organized Samvidhan Live via Jagrit, a 10 days program to build an understanding about Constitution. Through this public initiative, young people will experience how the rights and duties in our Constitution are being lived and report back their experiences to the rest of the world. So हमें जागृत रहना है और जागरूकता फैलानी है.
We acknowledge and fulfill our duties as a student. Why can't we acknowledge and fulfill the duties as a citizen? Starting with ourselves, we pledge to follow the fundamental duties. Also, to do our part, we will try to acknowledge more and more people about the fundamental duties and how can they do their part by following them.
So our task second was this with your 5 friends design a simple health awareness campaign, personal and menstrual hygiene, and encourage them to reach out to 100 people in their localities using phone or WhatsApp. So the solution adopted by us. So it was that we have designed a campaign Swasth Sarvopari in English, which is priority to health is in which we have stated all the necessary information and regarding the personal and menstrual hygiene and tips to maintain it. We have also prepared a PPT. It was initiated by 5 members, I myself, Parvsan, Viraj Saklecha, and Nandini Jain, and Siddhi Chaturvedi.
It is not easy at all to sacrifice all the modes of communication, even for a single day. My day was filled with frustration and a feeling of helplessness because when you cannot talk and when you cannot say anything, it's really frustrating. Communication is the basis of societal interaction, and societal interaction is the basis of human society. The absence or lack of communication makes it very hard for humans to coexist with their society.
I had this wonderful experience during the website project. When I told about this website to my maid, she was like so happy with what we were doing, and so she also wanted to donate it. She also wanted to donate some money. So I was like, are you sure? Because the thing we are doing is for like your children and for you. She's like, okay, I'll also be a part of it. And then what she did was, firstly, she asked me to make a Google Gmail account for her. She filled up all the formalities and all of that. And then she donated 50 rupees to our organization, which I thought was really awesome. And I thought that this is the most wonderful experience of my whole journey.
कि जब आपने खुद ने साइलेंस फास्ट किया या जब आपने खुद ने शुगर छोड़ा या जब आपने खुद ने कुछ चीजें करी तो आपको उस चीज का मायने समझ में आए कि अच्छा जो ये कर ही नहीं पाते हैं अपनी लाइफ में, जिनको मिलता ही नहीं है या जो बोल ही नहीं पाते हैं, उनके लिए कितना डिफिकल्ट होता होगा. So I think this whole journey is about first changing yourself, becoming Jagrik yourself, and then going around and changing the world. So I hope you'll practice it in the future also, and it won't remain just a 2 weeks program in your life.
You people have taken a good step towards the research work, towards knowing about our society. What is the difference between rights and responsibilities, and how do we go ahead with that? The best part which I liked about the whole session is self-involvement and self-practicing by putting yourself into someone else's shoes. So this, I can see while students, you people were speaking, I could see that it's not only the empathy that you have generated, Rather, I could sense the emotional, touch points. When you were speaking, I could sense those emotions. I could sense that how you people are, putting yourself into someone else's shoes and showing the picture.
Only one thing I want to say, this is the start of your journey. Whenever, whichever you will leave, you should practice it, and you should take small steps, not ambitious कि हाँ मैं ये change कर दूंगा वो change कर दूंगा. This is the start of life. You can take one actions, and you can every day, मतलब every day we live Jagrik, and every day we are a Jagrik.
I really hope that you guys will keep on working this work. Or as Kuldeep mentioned, that it's an ongoing process. ये रुकती नहीं है, ये सिर्फ चलती जाती है. You just got the sense of being a Jagrik. So I would really want to see you guys continuing this work, और जो जागरिक का process है तो तुम आगे भी लेकर जाओगे, और साथ ही साथ जो तुम्हारे दोस्त हैं, जो तुम्हारे क्लासमेट्स हैं, जो तुम्हारे आसपास के लोग हैं, उनके साथ भी ये इस चीज़ को you'll try to continue, और जो भी तुम्हारा learnings था, will bring with them, carry forward this with you.